Good morning. Welcome to TRS News.
My name is Malik.
My name is Gabriel.
Would everybody please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance?
I pledge allegiance to the flag of United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, nation under God, indivisible,
with liberty and justice for all.
Here are today's announcements.
Today there will be no clubs due to the teachers' meeting that we'll be having this week.
We have chicken tenders for lunch today.
Last week we asked you guys what your favorite desserts were. Gabe's got the results.
At number 5 we have crepes. At number 4 we have tiramisu. At number 3 we have milkshakes and smoothies. At number 2 we have brownies. And at number 1 we have ice cream.
Last week the third graders went on a field trip to the Liberty Science Center.
Let's see what they thought about the field trip.
What did you think about your trip to the Liberty Science Center?
I really liked it because we dug for fossils and we looked at a bunch of cool things like an exploding volcano.
2, 1, explosion! That's so cool! Wait, look at it when it hits the ground!
What was your favorite part of the Liberty Science Center?
My favorite part was seeing all the animals.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I enjoyed it a lot. It's like my favorite place to go.
What was your favorite part about Liberty Science Center?
Well, it was mostly the butterfly part that we got to use Q-tips to pick up butterflies.
What was your favorite thing there?
My favorite thing was this thing where a bunch of kids got to go on this parkour thing. It just had floating cube and there was just giant Pringles that are blue and you could just go on it everywhere and it was cool. That was my favorite thing.
So what did you guys do there?
We went in the sand pit to look for dino bones.
So what was your favorite part about the field trip?
Infinity climber because we were up in the air.
Oh, okay. Nice.
And how about yours?
My favorite part was the butterfly exhibit.
What was your favorite part about there?
Probably looking at all the new exhibits and learning about the science that goes into all of it.
What was your favorite part there?
Probably going to the div exhibit where you get to look at all different kinds of dinosaur fossils.
In honor of Earth Day, Roosevelt School students are doing a cleanup and planting in our garden.
Let's see how that went.
on Earth Day today?
I think this is a great day for the TRS students to be outside and planting, and a great way to celebrate Earth Day. This used to be a yearly event, and we haven't been able to do this in 3 years, so this is the first time a lot of the kids have been planting here at Roosevelt School.
What are we doing today here?
So today we are planting bulbs, and hopefully in the future they will grow into pretty strong flowers.
What are your thoughts on Earth Day?
I think it's a really good idea, especially because we do so many things that may cause harm to Earth.
What are you guys doing out here for Earth Day today?
So we're just picking up the grass and taking out dead plants.
So what are you doing today?
I'm planting sunflowers, like those, yeah.
What do you think about Earth Day?
I think Earth Day we need to not litter because many people is littering.
Just a reminder, this is where plastic bottles and paper go.
And this is where the garbage goes. Get it together.
That's our show for today.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.